Alright, hey guys, welcome back to today's video. If you're new to this channel, welcome. Thank you for visiting. Make sure to hit the subscribe button if you haven't done so already. Now, today I just want to go and jump right into it. Open my boxes, my Jeffree Star boxes. So I got, this time around, I got the smaller box. And as you know, the smaller box was the, I think, I'll put prices at the end of the video. That's what I got this time around, these two boxes. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with the small one and open it up. Now I will say, today feels like a Friday to me. I don't know why, but it feels like a Friday instead of a Thursday. All right, I really like the way that they did the little box this time, the design they put, the little, this looks like the Snapchat filter little thing, whatever this is called, but it's not, but it's really cute. So last time I actually got the Jeffree Star boxes, I was really happy with them. I was happy with the lipsticks I got. I got a couple lipsticks, pop sockets, which I'm not looking forward to that. So hopefully, no offense, if you like the pop sockets, great. I still got 2 left from my last boxes that I ordered, but I gave 3 away and I still have 2 left that I haven't used. So hopefully no pop sockets this time. All right, let's check out and see what we got. All right, so I'm assuming this is the palette. We'll open that. So far, with the smaller box, it looks like I got a lot more stuff this time around. I got 3 lipstick shades and whatever is in here. I really like how everything's wrapped. It's so neatly wrapped. A mini breaker palette. That's exciting. We're off to a good start. The small box I got last time, the same size, did not have a palette in it. So thank you so much for including one, because I still have not tried the eyeshadows from the Jeffree Star cosmetic line. So I'm very happy that he added this, but I'll make sure to add the price at the end of the video. This was a good addition to these boxes. So thank you. Oh, this is really pretty. So those are the colors. The colors are really pretty. I didn't know it had these purplish, opaque colors. This orange. I don't want to swatch it just yet because it's so pretty. But I definitely will do a makeup look with this. Okay, so we got the palette. Then we have this one, Lip Ammunition in shade Glazed. Hopefully it's no repeats from the last one, but let's check it out and see. I always have an issue opening these things. Okay. I love this neon green. It's so pretty. His packaging is always pretty. So I don't know if that's the same one as I have right now. It doesn't look like it is. No, this is glazed. The one I have, it's Glory Gold, I think it's called. Let's go ahead and swatch that. That's a very sheer, glittery shade. It's really pretty. And then we have the Valor Liquid Lipstick, So Sucker. Okay, I'm excited to see how that looks. Sounds intriguing. Oh, okay. I will say I've been looking for a black lipstick. I haven't bought one in ages, so I'm really happy that he included a black one in this mini box, which is Halloween. I mean, I kind of guessed that, yeah, maybe that would be a good addition to add. And you are supposed to shake it. That's what it normally says, but by the way, if you swatch stuff, you're probably 100% better than I am when it comes to swatching. I suck at swatching, but it's okay. So it's not like a real bold black. It looks more like a lighter dark brown with some glitter in it. I'll try it on, not today. When I do the eye makeup look, I'll try these on for you. And then the last one for this box is First Class. See how it looks on. Okay. Really futuristic type of gold. So that's a really pretty gold right there too. So far, this mini set was a lot better than the last mini set I got, just because it has eyeshadow, which I was really looking forward for eyeshadows, and it doesn't have a pop socket. Thank you so much. I love the pop sockets, I really do. I mean, it's on my phone, so when people see it and they know about Jeffree Star, they're like, oh, that's what Jeffree Star, yeah, it is. But I love it, I do. But, all right, and this time around, I got premium box, and the premium box looks actually bigger than the last premium box that I ordered, a lot bigger. So, and I think the premium box this time also has a shirt in it, if I'm not mistaken, because I had to pick a size, a shirt or a sweater, I'm not sure what's in it. So let's go ahead and open it up. So far, I will say, for the price of these premium boxes and the mini boxes, it is a lot more, it's a lot better than the prices. It's a lot better stuff is added in this time around than the ones that were ordered in my last video. And I can link that video for you, like that you can see and kind of mix and match and see what I got in the other video and this one, and see how much better, in my opinion, this one is so far. I don't know what's in the premium, but so far it looks like the stuff that he put in these boxes is a lot better, so I'm happy about that. If you want to order it next time, because they're definitely worth it, especially if he's adding a palette next time. Just boxes, these are really fun, and you get a lot of product for the price that you pay. That's funny, they just like put this up there like blop. I gave up. Oh. Anyway, okay, the liquid frost, I'll open that in a minute. So yeah, there is a shirt, and I'll open the shirt in a minute. I'll show you. Dude, this is awesome. There's a lot more stuff compared to last time. Thank you, Jeffree Star, because these boxes freaking rock. Seriously, these are super awesome. So if you can see so far, there's a skin frost. I'm not sure what that is, because again, I never tried his cosmetic line other than these mystery boxes. So the reason I like these mystery boxes, or really any mystery box that I purchase, is that you get to try different stuff without having to purchase just a specific lipstick or something that you would normally use and then get it and not like it, because you can't try it on in the store because it is online. So that's why I like the mystery boxes, because even if I'm disappointed with something, it's all right for the price that I paid. I'm still happy, and I'll just, you know, give it to a family member, or if I didn't use it, give it in a giveaway. But overall, I'm always really pleased with mystery boxes because you get to try a lot of fun stuff. Okay, so I got Candy Freeze and Poinsettia. I think that's what it says. Whatever, don't judge me. All right, and then I have the Glow. Again, I have no idea what in the world is any of this stuff. The Glow 2 finishes, Glitter Fantasy, and Extreme Shine. Juicy, delicious, iconic, on its own or over any lipstick. The Glow. We'll see what that's all about. If this is another palette, I'm going to be over the moon. If it's the same palette, which I don't think so, if it is, we'll see. Okay, and hopefully this is not here for show. Hopefully there's something in here. So hand mirror. Oh, I got the hand mirror. All right, now I feel too legit to quit. I know I'm lame, don't judge. Okay, so I actually got the hand mirror this time. Now I'm actually gonna be part of the little hand mirror crew. Everyone's always with the little hand mirror and whatnot. So I got mirror orange. So I love it. All right, well, good thing it has foam because I just dropped it, and yeah, I would do something like that. It actually has some weight to it. It's not like a little cheap plastic mirror either. You know, like you can buy like a real cheap mirror and it just feels cheap. This actually has some weight to it. It's really nice. There we go. No, open it up. Another mini breaker. Oops. The mini breaker for this one's the same as, that's cool. Nothing wrong with that. So I'm gonna go ahead and close this one off, and these are so fun. All right, and then we have this. Pretty. I think the black is just, I don't know, I guess the theme of the whole Halloween theme. That's a pretty one. Goldish, very subtle goldish highlight. So it's really pretty, I like it. And it's called Mystery Frost. A mess, let me put this down here. We have the Candy Freeze. Oh, this is pretty pretty. I like the smell for this one. It smells like candy. It smells really good. It's like a Barbie pink. a little fluorescent tint to it, subtle smell. So I like that. All right, and then there's Zeta. I'm probably saying that completely wrong, but whatever. Whoa, this is gorgeous. I have a thing for red lipsticks, even though I don't wear them hardly ever. Red and browns I love, but I hardly ever wear it. I mean, where am I gonna go with a bright red? Or let's see. Oh, that's so pretty. This reminds me of Christmas. Makes me want to get ready for Christmas. This is a perfect swatch. Like, this is the best swatch I've ever done. I'm so proud of myself. So those are all the shades I got. So far, I haven't tried this one on, but this shade's definitely my favorite so far. All right, now we're gonna do candy dip this. Ooh, oh, this is so cute. How pretty. It's so fun. Its packaging's really fun. Scream Jeffree, that's for sure. Oh, this is just a sheer shade. I'll put this one on, why not? So it's just a lip gloss, like a fluorescent purple. I will say for a lip gloss, this is one of the prettiest packagings I've seen for a gloss. That's the Candy Drip. All right, so the last thing is the shirts. Let's go ahead and open that up. I got a size medium. I don't know if they run big or run small. I'll find out now, I guess. Okay. So they run a little bit big. It could have gone away with the small. So I'm gonna go ahead and change into this one. So it's really cute. I like it. It's just a simple t-shirt, but it's cute. Can't relate. And it does run bigger. I could have gone away with a small because this one does have a lot of room, but it's cool. I don't like my t-shirts super snug anyways. So this actually works. Thank you so much for sticking around. That is all for today. I really like this shirt. I actually like this shirt a lot better. I actually looked at the video when I went to wash my hands. I was looking at the video and I'm like, this shirt, the other shirt I had on did not look good with this outfit. So yeah, whatever. This actually works out. Should have just done a black shirt with the overalls. And I will see you next Thursday. Oh, yeah, one more thing. So for the boxes, so for this box, so for this one, this mini box was $40. And the stuff that's in here, it's way above $40. So such a good buy this time around. I really like this one compared to my last one. If I was to compare this one and the last one that I did, I'll link the video. I definitely like what was in this box a lot more than what was in my last box, just because I actually had some eyeshadow, which that's nice. And I didn't need the pop socket. We did away with that, so thank you. And the premium box was $75. And as you can see, it had a bunch of really amazing product in it. So I was happy about that. And I will say that if you have not purchased these boxes yet, compare my last video that I posted and this video and see what you think. But personally, I will definitely be purchasing them again when they come out, if it's in my budget. Hopefully it is, because I love what I get in these boxes. Now, the only thing that I would say that I'm not completely in love with is the highlight, just because I don't use that much highlight, like hardly ever really. Sometimes I do, but not super obsessed with wearing highlight all the time. There's nothing wrong with it, but my skin's really oily. So if you have oily skin and you put highlight on, it's just gonna look too shiny in my opinion. So I try to stay away from the highlight a bit more. And these boxes do tend to have one thing of highlight or two. Well, the premium one had two highlights in it. So I have highlight for days because I already have highlights from the last one. So I won't be purchasing highlight anytime soon. But yeah, but besides that, that's just my personal preference. I'm not huge with the highlights, but they are really nice highlights. And if you like highlights, this is the box to get then, because it does have really nice highlights added to these boxes. The lipsticks, I'm always pleased with the lipsticks. I didn't try them on this time around, or if not, this would have been a super long video. But go ahead and do a makeup look, and I'll probably do, we'll see, but I'll do swatches really soon, like that you can see how they look on as well. But I'm really happy with this. If you got these boxes, comment down below. Let me know what you got. What did you like from your boxes? And let me know if you'll be purchasing them next time too. Till next time.